So had a switch go bad. My trim switch failed, and so we're gonna replace that as well. It's easy. I took it apart and I cleaned it, and actually still working, but the little rubber gasket around the outside was bad, so I kind of pulled it off, and like I said, it works, but I bought a replacement, so we'll just replace that and we'll have a backup just in case. But what was happening was I would hit the trim up button and it would get stuck and it would just trim up. So I cleaned it all out and it still didn't work. It still would just start trimming up on its own. So I decided to just replace it. It's a sealed unit. Here is the unit itself. It's got sealed. Like I said, I took it apart, I greased it up, cleaned it out, let it sit for a while. And it does work now, but I bought a replacement one, so we'll just swap it out. And sometimes I read online that they fail pretty easily, so just swap them out, whatever. Okay, so like I said, this switch went bad, the trim switch on the side. So I got a replacement part and we're gonna swap it out. All there is this little spring deal here. I'm gonna take a little dielectric grease. I like to put them in the connectors. Just another layer of protection. Here you go, bud. Okay, all you do, put that through, connect it back up. All right, so this piece comes in here to lock this in place. So you stick that right down in there, and there you go, that's locked in. And then you just reconnect it to where it was. I'm gonna flip this around because it was down here. It's hard with two hands. That's it. Okay, looks like back in business. Trim switch is now replaced and we're back in business. Super easy, it just clips in and out. You could, like I said, it was potted altogether, so I tried to clean it up and I think the other one was working, but I just replaced it. It was like 40 bucks. I'll put a link, and I'll save the other one in case something fails again. But what you don't want to be doing is going down the water and have your motor start trimming up on you. So these things fail. Every motor has its thing. Every brand has its thing. Just check them out, replace them. Make sure you don't leave it sitting for too long where things happen. Now I did leave it sitting uncovered for hunting season, so maybe it's on me. Maybe I didn't clean it out good enough, or it just happens. Whatever. You just got to be checking everything and making sure it's all good.